Okay, now we are left with questions 28 to 33. Which section contains the following information? Question number 28, summary of different aspects of leadership that are covered in the study. B. Okay, let's go to paragraph B. Okay, section B, second paragraph. The research focused, found it? The research focused on the way that these jazz greats created and ran their music enterprise. In particular, Ukbasaran and Lockett focused on three specific areas. Number one, leadership activity. Number two, team formation. And number three, team coordination. And number four, team turnover. So a summary of different aspects of leadership. Now all these are aspects of leadership. So question number 28, correct answer is B. Question number 29. Question number 29. A description of how band leaders sometimes passed on their leadership skills to others. All right, for this you need to come to paragraph E for elephant. Band leaders. Section E, second paragraph. Section E, second paragraph, and after third line. Third line after full stop. In some cases, in particular with Art Blockade, they actively encouraged and coached team members to become leaders. So they encouraged and coached team members to become leaders. What is that? A description of how band leaders sometimes passed on their leadership skills to others. Question number 29, answer is E. Question number 30, a summary of background of band leaders chosen for the study. A, B, C, all right, B. Summary of backgrounds of band leaders chosen for the study. Please come to paragraph B. Yes, paragraph B, and we read it from the beginning. The authors decided to focus on three of the best known names in jazz: Duke Ellington, Miles Davis, and Art Blakey. American composer Duke Ellington was a pioneer. Now this is the reason why they selected him. Was a pioneering jazz orchestra leader from 1920s to 1970s. Trumpet player Miles Davis was instrumental in the development of a number of new jazz styles, including bebop and jazz fusion, and jazz drummer Arthur. Now what is that? A summary of backgrounds of three of the band leaders. Now those were band leaders, and what is the summary? Summary is Ellington, Miles Davis, Art Blakey, American composer Duke Ellington was a pioneering jazz. What is this? This is his background. Okay, he was a teacher first, then he did this and that. So paragraph B contains this information. Question number 30, answer is B. Yeah, absolutely. The same thing, yeah, when they complete it, and then they talk about that. Yeah, the research focused on the way and all that. Okay. Now, let's go on. Question number 31. Examples of ways in which one band leader encouraged his musicians to be more creative. Paragraph D for doctor. Examples of ways in which one band leader encouraged his musicians to be more creative. All right. Where is that? Second paragraph, which line? Okay, like they mentioned, examples of ways in which one band leader encouraged his musicians to be more creative. Just come to section D and second paragraph and fourth last line. The performers from here. The performers were not left entirely to their own devices, though. All three leaders created a general framework within which team members could work, providing guidance but also the freedom to explore, express, and make mistakes. So, what is that? Examples of ways in which one band leader encouraged his musicians to be more creative, and that is the example. The performers were not left entirely on their own devices and all that. Okay, question number 32. Overview of main similarities between the work of business people and jazz musicians. You read it already? No, in paragraph A. Yes. Overview of main similarities. Come to paragraph A. Ever since management expert Peter Drucker compared the job of chief executive officer to that of an orchestra conductor, the business world has been exploring comparisons and inspirations from the world of music. One thing is this, and then they talk about now Warwick Business School professor this and that, all right, notes with their study of famous jazz musician, and that's it. So the similarities, they are discussed in paragraph A. Yes, if you come to paragraph B, paragraph A section, second part, Ukba Saran and Lockett together chose jazz for a number of reasons. For a start, jazz bands are synonymous with creativity, improvisation, and innovation, all essential ingredients for entrepreneurship. This is the sentence, by the way. So because of this sentence, correct answer is A. Overview of main similarities. And what are the similarities, by the way? The similarities are, they use this word, chose jazz for a number of reasons. For a start, jazz bands are synonymous with creativity. Number one similarity is creativity. Number two, improvisation. And number three is innovation. Okay, let's go on. Question number 33. A description of two contrasting ways of leading a team. Description of two contrasting ways of leading a team. C, D, all right, well done. Correct answer is paragraph D. Description of two contrasting ways of leading a team. Okay. So where have they mentioned? D, first paragraph or second? First. Teams must coordinate their behavior and action to achieve an outcome. The team leader can assume a number of different roles when helping the team achieve its objectives. Some leaders are very directive. Now, what's the question? A description of two contrasting ways of leading a team. Okay, you need to come to the last part. There are two contrasting ways. In D, first paragraph, we don't have two contrasting ways. Okay, yeah, that's right. Now listen, one way is about this Ellington, Davis, and Balake adopted. This is one way. And the second way is Ukba Saran and Lockett. Okay, please focus. Paragraph section D, second paragraph. And they talk about one that is Ellington, Davis, and Balake adopted. What was their way? And second contrasting way was of Ukba Saran and Lockett. So these two ways were contrasting. Now how they were contrasting? Let's read on. So it's section D, second paragraph. But that was not the approach Ellington, Davis, and Balake adopted. Instead, now what do they mean by instead? I mean, they had an opposite approach. That was not their approach. Their approach was opposite, and then they talk about these leaders acted more as facilitators. Okay, so this was their different approach. Okay, now listen. D, first paragraph, and we read it from second line. The team leaders can assume a number of different roles when helping the team achieve its objectives. Some leaders are very directive. Now this is one way. Some leaders are very directive, detailing what tasks they want team members to perform and how they want them to go about those tasks. But that was not the approach. It means the other approach was opposite, contrast. Ellington, Davis, and Balake adopted. Instead, these leaders acted more as facilitators, empowering the musicians and all that. Okay, so it's question number 33, description of two contrasting ways of leading a team. Okay, so that's it.